What if one of the toughest vehicles ever built suddenly decided to embrace luxury? To celebrate the Unimog's 80th anniversary, Mercedes-Benz has done exactly that, transforming its legendary workhorse into something completely unexpected. This one-off show car blends extreme off-road capability with premium design, pushing the Unimog into territory it has never truly explored before. Beneath the refined surface, the foundation remains pure Unimog. Based on the U4023, it still features portal axles, a flexible frame and triple locking differentials designed to conquer the harshest terrain imaginable. The big upgrade comes under the hood, where a 7.7-liter OM936 six-cylinder diesel replaces the traditional four-cylinder engine, boosting output to nearly 300 horsepower while delivering smoother power and improved traction without compromising off-road performance. Visually, the Unimog takes on a far more modern and confident presence. Matte gray paint, custom body elements, massive 20-inch beadlock wheels and a distinctive LED lighting setup give it a bold, almost futuristic character. Traditional side mirrors are replaced by Mercedes' MirrorCam system, improving visibility both on narrow trails and in tight urban environments. Inside, the transformation is even more surprising. Premium leather, ambient lighting, and refined details turn the cabin into a space that feels closer to a luxury SUV than a utility truck. Mercedes insists this isn't just a styling exercise either. The vehicle will be tested by a single customer in real-world conditions, potentially influencing future Unimog development. Even after 80 years, the Unimog is proving it still knows how to reinvent itself.